Hello guys, welcome to Eric and the Shoemaking Online class. My Shoemaking Online class is a well-detailed and well-structured class for beginners, those who are interested in learning shoemaking. Now, this shoemaking class is not free and it's not cheap. It's majorly targeted towards those who are far away and they're having issues with traveling down to where they want to go for training. Now, understand that when you calculate all the money that you want you to travel down to the location you want to travel to learn, the accommodation, the time that you'll be spending there, you will be so fixed that you will not be able to even have time to do other thing. But with this online class, you'll be free to go back to your videos, watch over and over again. Now, somebody might be thinking that if I'm watching it alone, I will not be serious. No, you'll be going through a mentorship class whereby someone will be mentoring you, monitoring you, making sure that you attend to the class, checking up on you on what you are doing, and also you'll be given assessments to be submitted, and at the end of the day, be given a project. Now, we have a lot of success rate as regarding this online class. There are a lot of people from different African countries and different nations of the world that are benefiting from this online class already. So we have another session that's on. If you are interested, what you just need to do is to put it there, I'm interested. Let me emphasize on that again. It is not free and it is not cheap. But it is affordable for those who are ready to learn shoemaking. You'll be in this shoemaking class, you'll be learning pattern drafting. That's what we'll be having the introduction class, we'll having pattern drafting class, we'll be making Oxford bros, boots, a lot of shoes, that making of your sole, how to make your own shoe soles yourself, building it yourself. Be showing you different tricks on how to have your mirror shine, how to have your sole mirror shine, also the finishing aspect of your shoe, and making sure that your shoe comes out well. I promise you that when you go through this class, it will be as though you were there in person. And I can tell you that I have people who have gone through it and they are thanking me. But for those of you that need free classes, you need free classes. You are not interested in paying. There's a problem. You can go to my profile. I also have videos for you. You can go to my profile and click on the link in my profile to take you to where my free online classes are. That's for free for those who are not able to pay. But for those who are interested in paying, you want to be mentored, we're having live sessions during our classes. We're having live sessions for you, and it's a one-on-one training. That's the good thing about this training. It's a one-on-one training between you and I. You'll be learning from a lot of people. Also, when we have a live session class, we may have some general classes, which is online, a live session where people be asking different questions, but we can also have a live session with you one-on-one. I tell you, wherever you are in the world, Tanzania, Ghana, in South Africa, you are in Zimbabwe, wherever you are in the world, you will be able to gain and learn through this class. This class has changed a lot of people's life, and so don't allow distance to stop you. And if truly you are ready to become a professional shoemaker, this is an opportunity for you. I hope to see you in my class, and I hope to have you around the soonest. Thank you for those of you that are registering, and those of us that are yet to register. This is an opportunity for you. You can see that there is no issue with distance any longer. It is as though you are there in person. We'll be taking you like you're taking a kindergarten child. We're using simple terms. You will understand it. There's no how you will not understand it. It's not possible. It is not possible. You will understand. We're not having editings that removing any side of the video for you not to see. No, that is not part of the aim. The aim is to make sure that we raise good students. Thank you for watching this, and I'll see you in my online class. God bless you.